Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very small Maniology haul to share with you, and I just got my Mani-Me monthly subscription box in for the month of October. I always get mine in the middle of the month, and then by the time I get it filmed and everything, it's almost time for a new box. But either way, I am going to share that with you guys and have some nail art to go with that. I'm going to share these plates today with you. I have two separate orders. It's only 4 plates. I'm also going to link in the description box a bunch of nail art kind of related content. So let's just jump right in. This first order, I was sent this sticker. This is right before, or right at the beginning of the Halloween launches. And this is before they were handing out the Halloween stickers. But I still love this one. Live, stamp, and love. And the plate that I got, M394, and this is like the crime scene kind of plate. So you have blood splatters, caution tape, footprints, the body outline, blood splatters, different varieties. The bloody handprint, I cannot, like, I love it. Knives, a magnifying glass, some DNA strands, confidential, I believe is what that says. More handprints, footprints, thumbprints, classified, and tire tracks, boot or shoe marks. More tire tracks, looks like. Question marks, tire tracks, thumbprint or fingerprints. This is like a cork board with miscellaneous pictures and maps and, you know, like the red twine, you know, leading to each lead, you know, lining all those leads up and stuff. So this is a really cool plate. I cannot wait until the True Crime Addict Missing Person plate comes back in stock, because that is mine. I'm going to purchase that one. And then the next order, I got this cute little sticker. A little doggy. How cute is he? And then I got 3 other plates. Picked up plate M392, and this is a really awesome Halloween plate. Hope that you guys can see this. There's like a melting ghost with it's like a negative stamped image there, and some flaming little heads, some cats. Always stars are always great. And I love the Maniology plates. I cannot get enough of them. Bats. Here's some little animals. There's a witch, which is also on the Halloween limited edition stamper. And if you're wondering what's on my nails, it's KB Shimmers Hidden Potential. And this is some nail art I did for Maniology with the fortune teller plate. Sneak peek. And some worms, and I believe those are eyeballs. And then over here you have all these different images of pumpkins and ice creams and ghosts and just words. And my favorite is Dead Inside. I mostly wanted this plate for Dead Inside and the little melting ghost here. M408. And this one you have pumpkins, different pumpkins. This has got like a circusy kind of theme going on. So circus tents. And you got a little jack-o'-lantern juggling there, which I love. My main reason for wanting this particular plate was I love the spiral. Every time I see spirals, I love them before this, but every time I see a spiral design now, I think of Motionless in White, which is one of my favorite bands right now. And I love the little bunny because he reminded me of Robbie the Rabbit from Silent Hill. If you're not familiar, he kind of appears near the amusement park or in bedrooms or, you know, just throughout Silent Hill games. And he appears in Silent Hill Revelation, the movie. So, just, I mean, you know, I'm a big fan of Silent Hill, so yeah, I like that little bunny. It reminded me of Robbie the Rabbit. There's a Ferris wheel, and there's some jester jack-o'-lanterns, a bunch of pumpkins. And this is a really good plate, in my opinion, to pair with some other circusy plates that I have. The last plate I picked up is $4.11. This one has, it's called like Treats and Trinkets, I believe this plate is. So there's cupcakes. I wanted it for the cupcakes. This also goes along with the circus theme of stuff. There is drinks and there is different candies, which this one here, Sam from Trick or Treat movie, carries a lollipop kind of like that. And there's like caramel apples and popcorns and different animals. I love this. This is so cute. There's ice creams and I love the gross kind of food items there. So there's a bunch of animal stuff here. So, oh, there's that sucker again. Connor has a costume of Sam from Trick or Treat. He's never seen the movie or anything. Just he liked the costume. This is the last plate that I have to share with you. This is the last plate I picked up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. And there'll be lots more Halloween nail related kind of content coming soon. So stay tuned. And I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. I thank you guys so very much for watching.